How to block someone on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to block someone on TikTok quickly and easily. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, then simply navigate to the profile of the person that you want to block. And now here, once you are on the profile, just tap on the share icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, you simply have to tap on block. And after that, just confirm it by tapping on block again. And here, once they are blocked, they can't follow you, they cannot view your videos or send messages to you, and TikTok will not notify them that they have been blocked. And that's it. That's how you can block someone on TikTok. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.